Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan, and in today's video I am going to teach you how you can change the file icons in Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So first of all, you can see that basically maybe you will see the default Visual Studio icons, or maybe you will see your file something like this. So you need to install an extension. So first of all, you will click on this extension tab, click on it, and here you will search for VS Code icons. You will find this extension, and currently it have 21.3 million installations. You can just click here and click on install. Once you will install this, you can see that it is displaying me this pop-up. From here I need to click on VS Code icons. Okay, and now if I go to my explorer, you can see that this is a React project open, and every file of mine have a beautiful icons, and obviously the icons visibility is far much better than the simple explorer. So now you can see that whatever type of file I will found here, it will provide me the icon according to that file. So hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And finally, thanks for watching.